Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Kaspersky Secure Sign-In and Device Management, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize Kaspersky Secure Sign-In, begin by launching the Kaspersky application on your device. Once the application is open, navigate to the Account section. Click on Sign In at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your Kaspersky account credentials, including your email and password. After filling in your details, click the Sign In button. Upon successful sign-in, you may be prompted to enable two-factor authentication for added security. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up two-factor authentication if desired. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, check your email or authentication app for the verification code. Enter the code into the Kaspersky application to complete the process. Now, head to the Device Management section within the app. Here, you will see a list of devices connected to your Kaspersky account. To authorize a new device, click on Add Device or the corresponding option. Follow the prompts to download and install Kaspersky on your new device. After installation, repeat the sign-in process using your Kaspersky account credentials. Once signed in, the device will automatically sync with your account. Make sure all devices are listed under your account to ensure proper management. To check device status, return to the Device Management section. Here you can view details such as device status, last activity, and security settings. If you need to remove any device, select it and choose the option to disconnect or remove. Verify that you want to proceed with the removal when prompted. With these steps completed, your Kaspersky Secure Sign-In and Device Management will be fully authorized and functional. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.